My loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video, and this is MAMA-MYLES. On this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, we do a little bit of everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Black and white outfits are those outfits that just can't go wrong. No matter the place, the time, the situation, black and white outfits just can't go wrong. So on today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how you can style a black and white outfit based on the occasion, whether you are using that black and white outfit for work, for party, for dinner date. I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how you can style these black and white outfits. And also I'm going to give you samples of outfits that have been styled for different occasions. So if you are interested in this kind of video, do not forget to like, comment, share, and let's get into the video. The neutrality of black and white allows you to layer, accessorize, and experiment without clashing, making it ideal for personal expression. And you're going to ask yourself, why black and white outfits? There are so many reasons why you need a black and white outfit in your wardrobe, and the first reason is because black and white outfits are versatile and timeless. You can use this black and white outfit for any occasion, any season, and anytime. And the next reason why you need a black and white outfit is because this combo works for every occasion and fits personal style. No matter how you dress, no matter where you're going to, this black and white outfit works very well. And the next reason is that it flatters all skin tones and body shape. No matter your body shape and body size, these black and white outfits do fit for all of these body shape. Now we are going to move to the outfit ideas for different occasions while using black and white outfits, and we are going to begin with business meetings. If you're going for a business meeting, you want to dress your black and white outfits like this, and it makes you look more presentable, more elegant, and more chic. These black and white outfits just help beautify your style, makes you look brighter, look active for a business meeting. And now we are going to move to the next one, which are black and white outfits for dinner dates. If you have this dinner date or this impromptu dinner date and you don't know what outfit you want to put on, you can just try a black and white outfit. A black and white outfit can never go wrong. It just can't go wrong for any reason. So you want to try a black and white outfit for your dinner date, and you want to use these styles to come up with your own personal styles, and it's going to give you a beautiful, classy, elegant appearance. And now we're going to move to the next one, which are black and white outfits for casual everyday look. Black and white outfit aren't just meant for business or for dinner dates. You can still style your black and white outfit for a casual everyday look, and you still look good, you still look classy, simple, and elegant. So you want to try these styles if you're styling a black and white outfit for just a casual day out or just for work, a casual work. Yeah, you want to try these outfits or these styling tips. We will move to the next one, which is mixing pattern and texture. Styling a black and white outfit, you want to pair a black and white strip shirt with solid bottoms. Also, you want to try black and white outfit with polka dots. This helps beautify your outfit. It makes you stand out, it makes you look elegant and chic. You also want to try black and white outfits that are pleated black and white outfits. These are also beautiful, they're also elegant. And now we can try textures. If you're styling a black and white outfit, you want to mix textures such as silk, leather. This helps also beautify your outfit. It helps make your outfit stand out. And also you want to accessorize black and white outfits. These help to add beauty to your outfit. And now we are going to move to the next one, which is pro styling tips for black and white outfit. The first one you want to do is to balance proportions. You want to balance oversized pieces and fitted pieces like these ones on the picture. This is just an example. You can also try them and yeah, your outfit. The next one is to layer for dimension. Add jackets or scarves or cardigans to your outfit. It helps also to beautify this black and white outfit. Now we're going to move to the next one, which is to incorporate belt. Belt helps to define the waist and helps balance the proportion, and this is what you want to do while styling every outfit, no matter your body shape or your body size. Now we want to experiment black and white outfit with monocrop. You want to go in for a complete white outfit with maybe a black bird or a black shoe, or the reverse, a complete black outfit with maybe a white bird or a white shoe. This helps makes you look stylish, makes you look more fashionable, and yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, do not forget to like, comment, share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.